It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC Yukon XL Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, and power folding side mirrors, the child lock buttons, the programmable memory seat, and a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the telescopic steering wheel button, the heads-up display button and information tab, traction control, park assist, the power retractable running board button, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, some interior and exterior lighting buttons, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the trailer brake, all-weather floor mats throughout, the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, Denali embroidery in each headrest, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our adaptive cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using those arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the power sunroof buttons, power liftgate buttons, programmable garage door opener. We've also got OnStar in the mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We've got the DVD player, the hard buttons for our radio and media options. Far left is the engine push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. We've also got the rear climate control buttons just below, heated and cooled front leather seats, the USB ports and power plug-in. This is our wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. The front of the Denali has that unique Denali grille, LED headlamps, fog lights, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission under the hood. Side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, roof rails up top. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting. We'll make our way to the back where we have the power lift gate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the back, we've got plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks on either side, the buttons to fold the second and third row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The driver's door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and the rear speakers. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, and the back of the center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated second row seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins. We've also got a second row and third row DVD player. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever on the side of the seat. The third row has 3 additional seats, cup holders and storage on either sides, and the one side has a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2019 GMC Yukon XL Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.